afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about a 2023 350 RL Sabre Cobalt. Very nice setup. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook. This particular unit has the auto leveling controls on the outside. It comes with dual batteries. It has the solar panels already on top, which Sabres actually call it the juice package. This particular unit has dual propane tanks, one on each side, 20-pound bottles. We're going to look at the storage here. Particular unit has big front storage. All the water hookups are inside. It has the on-demand water heater, big furnace. This unit has auto leveling. Super nice, super nice. It actually is pre-prepped for all slide-out awnings. Nice storage. Got quite a bit of storage in the back of this thing. We'll walk around. We'll show you the back here. Huge storage. Man, this thing has two 10-foot kayaks in it. And the ability to stack two more on top of that. Huge storage. You also have the ability to come in from the sides, keep all your gear on the sides. Huge storage. These doors are actually on both sides of the camper too. All around. Has the huge awning. The LED awning lights are in the arms, so they shine at full illuminated outdoor kitchen. Sink, refrigerator, LP quick disconnects. You can set your barbecue grill out here. That again, this is a 350 RL. We're going to come on inside. When you walk inside, you walk right into the door. Inside is the kitchen. Has the freestanding table, two chairs, and a bench. We're going to walk up the side. Nice storage. Far on top, and this is really neat because it kind of separates the area from the kitchen to the living area. This particular unit has heated massage theater seating straight across from the TV, but it also has two sofas, one on each side, and these are trifold sofas, so they actually fold and make dual beds in the back. Nice fireplace, huge entertainment area. We're going to come back up the side. First thing we're going to do, we're going to talk about the pantry space. All the little areas to store stuff. Quite a few drawers. 3-burner top. Oven with pot and pan storage underneath. Has the microwave, and this is not just a small microwave. This is actually a residential style microwave. Huge refrigerator. Has the double doors on the top for the refrigeration area. It has dual freezers, top and bottom. Stainless sink, cabinet drawers and doors. Huge overhead storage. Centralized command area. This actually works all the slide outs. You can turn your lights on, everything from it. Air conditioner, thermostats, water pump. We're going to talk about the bathroom here. This has the true tri-slide glass doors. Huge walk-in with the bench. Porcelain toilet. King size bed with shelf over the bed. huge front closet with shoe nook. This unit is washer dryer prepped. Second AC in the bedroom. Chest of drawers. Back for TV location in the bedroom. Remember, if there's any other questions, please contact us at your convenience.